Okay, we're going to try to see if I can capture that noise. I don't know how good this phone is going to record. You see, we're going about 40 right now, and it's not making that World War II bomber noise as it does when I get on the freeway here in a second. Still not making that noise on this windy on-ramp. You got another one back there. Anyways. I can start to hear it a little bit. The window up. Hear that hum? Hear it. As I let off the gas, it gets a little louder. It's not doing it as bad as it normally does. And once you get under about 40, you don't hear it anymore. No weird vibrations. Everything feels okay. Except for that squeak, which I'm pretty sure we know what that is. Now you can hear it. Let off the gas. And that's that. If anybody knows for sure what else I can check, let me know.